This is Albert Grande from pizzatherapy.com, legendsofpizza.com/blog. I'm talking to Billy, and Billy just won a super prize. Billy, hold up your trophy there.
It's almost taller than me.
How did you win the trophy, Bill?
Basically, I was the fastest chicken wing eater with nothing left on the bone. I did 23 wings in under 3 minutes.
How are you feeling now?
I'm ready for a nap, and I'm ready to compete tomorrow and win the Pizza Expo. So.
Okay, so you're also entered into the pizza competition. Which competition?
I am in non-traditional.
And what kind of pie are you going to make?
I'm making a shellfish grandma. So it's going to be shrimp, chorizo, roasted red peppers, cilantro with a spicy grandma sauce infused with my garlic creme.
For those that don't know, what is a grandma pie?
A grandma pie is a square pie. It's half the size of my Sicilian versus depth and size. So it's square. It's more on the crunchy side, not as much body. If you're looking for body, you'll want a Sicilian.
Okay. And Billy, where do you work?
I work for the famous Tony Gemignani. I started out at Pizza Rock 4 years ago, and now I'm running Tony's Pizza Napolitana in San Francisco.
Excellent, excellent. And what are some famous pizzas that are there at either Pizza Rock or Tony's Pizzeria Napolitana?
We have the #1 award-winning margarita, of course, by far the best pizza there at all locations. We also have the grandmas on our menu, which sell out. We only make so many a day. It strives to sell faster, more of an incentive for people to buy. La Regina, Laura's award-winning pizza, Sicilian style. We have the Cal Italia, which is award-winning for Food Network. We have a lot of great pies. We have a lot of great pies that you wouldn't think would taste good on a pizza, but when you actually try it, the #1 thing is respect the craft. Try it how we make it and enjoy the hell out of it.
That sounds great. And Laura's pie is the very famous Laura Myer, who's...
You know it.
And
she's the best.
She certainly is. Billy, how can people find you, contact you, get in touch with you?
If anybody needs to look me up, I'm Billy at Tony'sPizzaNapolitana.com or SillyBilly916 is my Instagram. I don't really use it because my hands are always dirty from cooking, so...
Billy, thanks a lot for taking time to talk to me.
I continue to always respect the craft.
Thanks again, Billy.
No problem.
Take care.
You too.